cold coffee. I love this one. It's also a hot coffee, but you can just add some ice and then it will be a cold coffee. So yeah, today I'm going to be making cold coffee, which I love and which I have been making since 2 months, and it's so easy to make. Like, I almost drink it at alternative days. So yeah, I'll be showing you today how to make it. I am at my nanny's house. So yes, if आपको कुछ change लग रहा हो तो. So yes, let's start. Okay, so first things first, starting off by making the mixture. First you will need a coffee powder. You can use any. I'm gonna use the Nestle coffee powder, and you have to mix it with water. I'll just show you how to do it. You have to take it in a bowl. By the way, I'm gonna make coffee in this type of a glass, but the mixture which you're gonna pour in milk has to be made in a bowl. So yeah. So here I have taken a bowl, and this is 1 tablespoon of measurement. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of water. Here's the bowl, and I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons of water. So what I do is I just measure the amount of water I need in the glass. So I just take this much of it. So this is basically 1 tablespoon, and then this is the 2nd tablespoon. So as you saw, I have taken 2 tablespoons of water, 2 to 3 accordingly. I am just making it for myself. To this water, I'm going to be adding coffee. I'll show you how much coffee I add. There's no accurate measurement. In the description box also, all the ingredients which I'm going to be using in today's video, they are going to be written in the description box below. Please check out the description box. By the way, I am using this coffee from Nescafe. Oh sorry, not Nestle, from Nescafe. It's just for piece 2, and it has a lot of quantity. So I am using this type of a measurement spoon. This is like a random spoon, but इतना ही measurement चाहिए मुझे. So here goes the first teaspoon of it, 1 tablespoon, and then just mix it and see. We need little bit more. So basically you have to take 1.5 teaspoon of coffee. Yeah, 1.5 teaspoons of coffee. So now we have to mix it until the coffee gets activated, until the coffee gets caffeinated, बोलते हैं ना. जब तक इसका बबल्स नहीं आ जाता ना, ऐसे चम्मच से आपको मिक्स करते रहना. एंड बाय द वे, मैंने अभी तक शक्कर डाली है. मेरे पास पहला बबल आ भी चुका है. इफ़ यू एबल टू सी दिस, कहाँ गया, चला गया. आपको इसे मिक्स करते रहना. So if you are able to see it, it's partially brewed. So yes, we will still keep on mixing it. So now this is done. So जैसे कि आपने देखा कि ये कॉफ़ी जो कि वो एक्टिवेट हो चुकी है, अच्छे से ब्रू हो चुकी है. आपको मेरी आवाज़ आ रही थी, तो ये मैं बोल रही थी कि ये कॉफ़ी एक्टिवेट हो चुकी है और अच्छे से ब्रू भी हो चुकी है. तो अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे शक्कर, 4 टेबल स्पून. हाँ, तो मैं मेरा स्पून दिखा देती हूँ. कुछ इस टाइप का है। हम 4 टेबल स्पून डालेंगे इसमें। तो ये फर्स्ट टेबल स्पून है, 1 टेबल स्पून, 2 टेबल स्पून, 3 टेबल स्पून and 4 tablespoons. So I have added 4 tablespoons of sugar, and now I'm gonna mix this, and then we're gonna add this mixture into a cup of milk. And I'm gonna be first taking the mixture inside this, and then I'm gonna add, like I'm gonna pour the milk. So yeah, you will see that further. First mix the sugar well. You can also take powdered sugar, but you can use any, like you can use this normal sugar also, or you can use a powdered sugar also. I prefer the normal sugar. Glass which I showed you earlier, and I'm gonna add milk into this. Add milk accordingly. And I also wanted to say that it's winter time, so if you don't wanna drink anything, something cold, so don't add ice or don't add cold milk. You can add hot milk, or don't just add ice, but today I'm gonna add cold milk. I'm just gonna add milk into this. The sugar is melted, completely mixed into the coffee mixture, and now let's add milk. After adding milk, we have to whisk it using a whisker, and we have to whisk it until there is a layer of bubbles formed on it. And after the layer gets formed, we have to sprinkle some powdered sugar and coffee. So guys, my coffee is ready. As you saw, it's evening time, and evening में coffee पीने का तो कुछ अलग ही मज़ा है. And I really love making this coffee every day as an evening treat to myself, by myself. So let's taste it. It's so good in taste. It's amazing. It's delicious. It's coffeecious. Whatever. Let's finish it. Then it's over, and I hope you like this video. Good evening. I hope you like this video. If you like it, then please like it, share it with everyone, so that everyone's evening will be yummy, delicious, you know. They will also enjoy their evening. अभी sunset हो रहा है, and मैं मेरे बालकनी में आके अभी कोल्ड कॉफ़ी पी रही हूँ. बहुत मज़ा आता है, and also it's so easy to make, and बहुत अच्छे से टेस्ट भी इसका बहुत अच्छा है. So please share this video with everyone. Also comment करके बताना नेक्स्ट वीडियो आपको कौन सी चाहिए. सब्सक्राइब करो मेरे चैनल को, क्लिक द बेल आइकन. ओके, नई वीडियो जो नेक्स्ट वीडियो आने वाली है वो ये डेट को आने वाली है. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ये डेट को आने वाली है न्यू वीडियो, ये डेट को, ठीक है ना. सो ओके, I'll meet you in the next video. Adios amigo. Love. कोल्ड कॉफ़ी बताना आपने अगर बनाई हो तो कैसी लगी. बाय बाय.